Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll continue with our civics lesson, Democracy. Today we'll be talking about different systems of government in the world. Most countries in the contemporary world are democracies. Democracies can be of two types, direct and indirect. In a direct democracy, the people directly elect and participate in the government. In an indirect or representative democracy, people do not directly participate in the government. Instead, they elect leaders to the government who take decisions on their behalf. These leaders serve as representatives of the people. India is a representative democracy. As the head of our country, the president is elected. India is also called a democratic republic. Democratic governments can also be parliamentary or presidential. In a presidential form of government, the president is the head of the government as well as the head of the state. He is directly elected by the people. He is appointed for a fixed term and cannot be easily removed from office. In a parliamentary form of government, the Prime Minister is the head of the government. He is selected from representatives elected by the people and can be removed from office by a vote in the parliament. The president is the head of the state. He or she is not directly elected by the people. The next heading is Key Features of Democracy. Democracy has 6 key elements. First, rule of law. Second, universal adult franchise. Third, active participation of people. Fourth, protection of human rights. Fifth, equality and justice. And sixth, separation of power. Let's talk about rule of law first. Rule of law. Rule of law means no one is above the law. Any violation of law is a punishable offense. The English Revolution laid the basis for this democratic principle. The Indian Constitution also established the rule of law in the country. All laws apply equally to all Indian citizens. People of India can challenge a law in court if they feel it is unfair. Next heading is Universal Adult Franchise. Universal adult franchise means all adults in a country can vote and elect their representatives to the government. The right to vote is an important feature of a democracy as it allows people to participate in the government by electing their leaders. It also ensures that the rights of all sections of society are represented equally in the government. In India, all citizens above 18 years of age can vote regardless of their caste, sex, or religion. Thus, the notion of universal adult franchise is based on equality, a basic principle of democracy. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.